I can never change, yeah. Pull up in the range. 2016, yeah. Tryna get paid.
Yeah. Trippin', rapping, money stacking. Hold up, bitch, I'm rapping. Always trippin', yeah.
Damn, DJ Fat, you stay dropping heat.
These are my carbon fiber mirror covers I ordered for my F06 640 GranCoupe. I have carbon fiber mirror covers on it right now, but they are like the adhesive ones. These ones are actually like the replacement caps, and they're also the M style mirrors. Picked these up on eBay for about 200 bucks, and honestly I was not expecting the quality to be this good and these to be this nice. Has like a little like design in it that makes it look a little more aggressive. Honestly, it didn't even say it was gonna have that in the ad, and that little design carries through on both of them, and it looks super sick. I'll show you guys a little bit of the install. Obviously it's pretty straightforward. There's a bunch of clips, and you can use this to follow the clip placement with the factory clips, and you just get a trim removal tool and pop them out. Pretty easy install. Probably the simplest install you could do. Yeah, so I'll show you guys what these look like after. Forgot to mention that I will be ceramic coating both of these before I put them on my car, just because everything on my car is ceramic coated and just makes it a lot easier to maintain and keeps it more shiny. So might give you guys a little bit of footage on that, but this is what I used to ceramic coat them. It's Car Pro Deluxe. It says for plastic and wheels, but it works really well on carbon, and that's what I've used. So like usually I do 2 to 3 coats, and it looks even more shiny than they do right now. So stay tuned, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. So I got the mirror caps installed. They came out pretty sick. So these are for F06. Some F10s have mirrors like this. A lot of BMWs have these style mirrors without the turn signal. I believe the listing for them were on an E60, but they fit my car perfectly. So for all you F06 guys, these do work. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys. The install, as far as the install, it was pretty straightforward. All you have to do is pop off the clips. I didn't record it obviously, but there's clips all around, and the cover that's body colored just pops right off, and this one pops on, and it's a complete replacement cover. And fitment is honestly pretty fucking good. Like, I have no complaints, and I love the design. Oh, this is just a little dirt, maybe a little bird shit, but it looks really good.
Damn, DJ Fat, you stay dropping heat.
Yeah, I got my shooter. Yeah, we're keeping moving. Yeah, I got my shooter. We're keeping moving. I'm with my crew. Yeah. Is you really gon' show? Yeah. Pull up in the cool. Yeah. Get to work, you know I move. Yeah.
When we work in this sicko, turn it back, second chance, pockets never fold. Yeah, I was broke, put in work, ho. Switching flows, kicking doors, how I move, ho.
Yeah, I can never change. Yeah, pull up in the range. 2016, yeah, tryna get paid.
Yeah, trippin', rapping, money stacking. Hold up, bitch, I'm rapping, always trippin'. Yeah,
I got my shooter.
Last thing I wanted to show you guys was the fitment on like the mirror side. I saw another one of this guy's videos. I forgot his name, but he had a F10, and they bought like the wrong mirror covers, and they tried to adjust it for this car, for this style mirrors, which is on the F10. But just so you guys can see, it fits the mirrors perfectly. So no like adjustments, cutting, nothing. It's just a direct flush fit carbon cover. So to wrap things up, it's a really simple and easy mod, very straightforward to do. And honestly, it really does change the style of the car from every angle. As you guys can see from the back end, you guys can see the little mirrors right there. And it just makes the car look that much more aggressive from every angle. For the 200 or 150 bucks, I don't remember exactly what it was. It's a really good, simple, and easy mod for your F06. Hope you guys like this video, and I have a bunch of videos coming in the future. Peace.
Yeah, I was broke, put in work, ho. Switching flows, kicking doors, how I move, ho.
Yeah, I can never change, yeah. Pull up in the range, 2016, yeah. Tryna get paid.
Yeah, tripping, rapping, money stacking. Hold up.